kejazegbo the msele watch your dadonamu watch your namula inko watch your cover mo va amokola teba ze ima ze nyiru so me atogbo manya mbaro
you get it
ya togbo manya mbaro ne kafla ne ma take pere nti ofifi I can make you in few minutes going to Accra. Is it a bad thing?
Like you vanish.
So it's not a bad thing. So our ancestor is for that. I accept traditionalists and I be there.
So you witness their power.
I'm a priest.
Yes, you are a priest, so you know. Now you know both sides, right?
Christianity and
okay. So right now, tell me, religion and our culture. What has religion caused us as Africans?
Miame togbe vodu subo subo do Christianity are no ka be gbele so miantio.
Oh, I gbele no subo. Christianity agbele no.
Spoil a lot of things.
Do am ake globe ma chok bodon. Miame ma bete yo vova iva nibe Ewenyigba me tukara ko le. Ewenyigba.
Yeah, me
me tukara ko kekele fifia. Ma be yo voi. Parce que mi atogbo ko na nyicha o na nya na harmonie ne o ma nyacha be eto we nyamko daga victor vimele non mais le mi amagbe mon tocha ma ko oncle mele donc que Christian yo vo va o va cho como cho de susu manami
okay
na ba te de government
say it.
Yeah, according to him our ancestors or our forefathers or our how do we call it?
Ancestors.
Our deities,
our gods. Yeah, our gods, they are not bad. Those days is the whites that came and spoiled everything. According to him, those days our people are friendly. They don't sell land. When you come to build, they will just give you a land. They will just give you a whole lot of plot to do whatever you want to do with. In those days, there's nothing like uncle. Everybody is living as one whole family. There is nothing like discrimination. They were living happily. They were friendly. They eat together. They do everything together. But white came with the Christianity. They bring division among them. And according to him, some people have power. If you have that power, you do it. You use that power to do good. But others use it to kill people. That's the bad part of it. Like you do something for me, instead of to forgive you, I will just do something to you and you die. That's what people talk bad about our deities.
Great. You are in charge of our culture or our culture in this village
city,
or city. Tell me, looking at our culture, looking at our condition as Africans, they say we are poor. Looking at everything that surrounds us, and you where you stand, do you see hope for Africa liberating itself?
Yes, I see hope. But the hope will come with our tradition. Parce que middle richesse, we have many things to not be poor.
Yeah, that is it.
Donc, ma culture déjà, mia te chopoga.
Udo de kao.
De kao.
Unity.
Unity. Parce que mia to amabiboa, mia karajibe mia Africato, ne enu le duna mia yinko. Mia yinko. Le pepem, mia tradition, mia les raci. Ne mi Asie fifia Chine. Chinois, autre chose tradition. Il y a pas de duco, au garder ma tradition. Ou me gba, au yanko. Yo vois ma tradition, yo chovanami. Mia tocha mia to mia to. Ni mi wodo ala yinko.
Please say.
Yeah, according to Mr. Coco, Africa can be rich or African can come out of.
African can be great again.
Can come out from poverty if we unite. We unite.
We unite.
Unite. Yeah, thank you. For example. If we continue practicing our deities, we pray for them, and we are united, Africa will become one of the greatest or the biggest continents in the whole world. Wow. For example, China, Asia, France, and other countries, they still do they respect their deities. They too do tradition.
They do their rituals.
They do their rituals.
Their rites.
Yeah. But our problem is the white come and give us Bible. So because of this Bible, we forget about our deities. We forget about our culture. So that is the part of that is why we Africans, we are like this. According to him, we have everything.
We are not supposed to be poor.
We are not supposed to be.
You are watching The Quest with Mami Grace and Mr. Coco. He doesn't want to be called a chief. So it's Mr. Coco with our translator. So we are now at the shrine. We are going through of the wall and know what happened here. So we are actually in Noche, in